you. There's over 100 plus different uses for Kangen water in your home, and one of the most incredible is using it to clean your food. What's on your fruits and vegetables? Poisons, toxins, pesticides, herbicides, insecticides. You got to get that off if you want true health in your life for you and your family. Here I have 2 packages of cherry tomatoes that I just got from the store, and we're going to open these up and we're going to pour them in here and get them to come out here. There we go. There's 1. Okay. Here's 2. Put those in here. Okay. Okay, so on this one I'm going to use bottled water, or you could use tap water, whatever you want, vinegar or pesticide wash, whatever you want. It's not going to work, but I'm just going to use bottled water here. So I have Smart Water. Put those on the tomatoes. Then on this one I'm going to put in Kangen water 11.5. So this is like the 9.5, but it's stronger. It's more of a cleaning agent. So it breaks down oil-based stains or grease-based dirt. It breaks down and emulsifies oil and dirt. Okay, now we'll just let these soak for a minute. So remember, this is the Kangen water 11.5, and this is the Smart Water. So Smart Water is behind this one, the Kangen water is behind this one. So I have done so many different videos on so many different fruits and vegetables, and if you check out my pesticides playlist on this video platform, you'll see me washing everything you can possibly imagine, all sorts of fruits and vegetables. But in this one we're just going to do tomatoes. And just like you saw in the tea experiment a few minutes ago, you saw how the water penetrated the tea bag and brought out the tea, even though the water was ice cold, the Kangen water. So it's the same thing when you drink the water, the 9.5. It penetrates your cells and it gets out the acidic waste. It gets out the toxins. It detoxifies your body on a cellular level. And so this is what's happening here with the 11.5. It is breaking down the toxins. It's breaking down the pesticides, the herbicides, insecticides, the chemicals, whatever it is that's sprayed on your fruits and vegetables. It's breaking it down and extracting it so that's not on your fruits and vegetables. But the same thing happens when you drink the 9.5 water. It does the same thing as far as pulling out the toxins and acidic waste from your cells, and you saw how that was demonstrated with the tea bag experiment. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour these out. So here's the Smart Water one. Let me go ahead and put my hand here and drain it out, and we'll see what comes off these tomatoes. Okay, so we drain that one out. Okay, then let's do the Kangen water, 11.5. We're going to drain this one out. Do you see all those chemicals? Everything they sprayed on our produce coming right off. Oh yeah, you got to get excited when you see this, and the same thing happens when you drink the water. It's going to detoxify you. You want true health in your life, check that out. That is absolutely insane. So let me just put the paper towel here so you can see it a little better. So remember, this is the one that this is Smart Water, the bottled water right here. And this is the Kangen water, 11.5. Look at the difference there. Which one do you think is gonna, here you go, get this more on the paper towel. Look at that. Oh yeah, talk about, you want to get healthy. This is how you do it. You drink this water. You use this water to clean your fruits and vegetables. You want to change your life. This is it. You want to change other people's lives. Look at this. Look how yellow that is. Look at that. And we have a study. Look at this one. Do you see anything, any color? And we have a study that proves that this water, the Kangen water, removes pesticides. It breaks down the oil-based pesticides. It breaks down all sorts of pesticides. We have a study that proves this, and it's not pulling off nutrition, it's pulling off the pesticides. So if you got chemicals and pesticides on your fruits and vegetables, it's going to get those off. Look at that. That is absolutely nuts. That is insane. And so you can also use this, you can also use this 11.5 water as a natural degreaser. Anything for oil-based stains that will, like carpet stains or doing laundry, it will break down and clean off oil when you do laundry. That is insane. I cannot believe this. Well, I can because I've seen it so many times now, but it is still so amazing. When you see it, champions never quit. Do you hear that snap, crackle, pop? It is highly antioxidant. That's what you want to be drinking. This is the good, healthy alkaline water. This is not the bad alkaline water, but the good. So now, poison in a bottle. Keep your eye on this light bulb. Dead water. Okay, I'll put it back into the Kangen water over here. Living water. So it's the same tea bag, but now it's different water. It's the Kangen water. Woohoo! We're gonna drain this one out. The greatest thing you can do in your life is to get back up when you get knocked down. Champions never quit.